Hello everyone, so welcome to the Amazon tutorial. We are trying to create a new instance in Amazon AWS. So for that, let's get started. Let's go to the Amazon console login and click on the first link. So I'll sign into the console. Let's log in using root user. So I'm giving my email credential. Let's type the captcha as it is and the password as well. So if you have enabled MFA code, try getting that through any of the authentication application. So I'm currently in the North Virginia, US East. So let's go to EC2 Elastic Compute 2. Let's in this we currently don't have any of the instances which is running. So what we can do is EC launch instance. So let's get the free tier eligible one. Let's select the first one. So T2.micro is free tier eligible, so let's go to the T2.micro and let's launch the instance and let's create a new key pair. So let's give the name as testing purpose and download key pair. Keep that aside, so it will be helpful by logging in via SSH. So let's see the instance now. The instance is getting set up and the instance state is pending, so let's give some time. So the availability zone is US East 1 and public IPv4, and the elastic IP is not assigned. Elastic IP is nothing but it will be a permanent IP address. So let's go over the other stuff. The private IP address is can be seen there. So and the VPC and the subnet are default, whatever that came at the start. So now as you can see, the instance state is changed. So this way we can create a new instance in Amazon. Thank you.